Hi everyone, this is Aiden with Father's Land Surveying, making you guys a video here on how to make a custom scale bar, something like this. Made the scale bar, actually realized I made these 1.5 wide, and or actually, yeah, they're the 1.5 feet wide. And I didn't like that because my engineer scale has 1 foot division lines. And so, as a matter of practice, you should probably do intervals kind of how you want, but make sure these small check intervals are 1 foot. So I'm going to show you how to make the scale bar, and here we go. So make my line here, and then just also make sure whatever layer you want it to be, you have it there. Mine's text layer. This is a layer I usually use for all my text in Paperspace, so that's fine there. So we'll make sure you're in model space, and I have a already scaled paper space here. This is 11.5 by 17. I did it like this because I want to print it out and check it on my engineer scale. So you're going to want to do that. Make sure you got a good paper space there. This is a 11 by 17 with I think like a 1-inch border. So that's my 17 feet there, and just make sure you got your 11 by 17. Okay, let's click in here. Make sure your scale is 1 to 30. You could make a custom one here. It's very easy. All you do is just go to add. If you don't have 1 to 30, one paper unit equals 30 drawing units. All right, and you can name it whatever you want. 1 to 30. Okay, so let's lock it, and let's get going here. So I'm going to put it all perpendicular because I want it all perpendicular. So I'm going to go 30 feet this way. I think I had it as 7 feet. Just whatever kind of to make it look pretty. That's all you really need. Offset 30 feet. Okay, so this will be my 0, this will be my 30. Now I'm going to offset 1 foot intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that this from here to here is 5 feet. Make these half of total length, 3.5, so I can check those. Let's give them let's go offset 5 feet there, and let's go offset 15 feet for my 0 there. Okay, whoops. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, let's do some M text here. Okay, this is gonna be 5 feet. Let me draw a line. So all these will be in a nice line, even line. That'll be 5 and 5, this will be 15, this will be 30. This one will be my 0. I'll have to drag it down a little bit. Alright. 15, 30. Center it up there. Center it up. Drag that to there. Okay, cool. I'm liking it. That was easy enough. And then I'm going to type scale, all caps. Scale 1 inch equals 30 feet. Oh. 1 inch equals 30 feet. Let's drag this over here. Just make it look pretty. Line it up in the center there or something. Okay, so I'm not done yet. So now this is in model space, so I want to highlight everything. Just make sure all your text is not annotative. I'm going to take it off annotative. Copy it. Put it in Paperspace. Then I'm going to need to scale it down. So type SC for scale. click anywhere here. 1/30, 1 divided by 30. Okay, I can move everything over here just to check it, make sure it's good. It's exactly the same. So now I want to highlight these, type the word block. I'll make it right there, my base point. I'll just do that just to make sure I got everything. I'm just going to give it a random name because I'm going to save it. I'll show you how I'm going to save it here. Open a block editor, save as, save block definition of drawing file. I'll just put scale, whatever, dummy name. And here's where I'm actually going to save it what I want to. Okay, so I've already made one like this. I'm just showing you the video. I'm overwriting it. Yes, I'm gonna replace it because I'm making some changes to it actually. Whatever, you can save the changes. It don't matter. Okay, so now I can insert it here. Classic insert. Now I got my 1 inch equals 30 scale there. Boom. So now I'm going to print this out and I'm going to check it and it should be good to go. Alright, that concludes the video of how to make a custom scale bar. Thanks.